Welcome, my dear viewers, to a journey of mystery, laughter, and professional growth. Have you ever felt like you're stuck in a rut? Like there's more to life than the monotonous 9-to-5 routine? Well, what if I told you that there's a whole world of opportunity out there, waiting for you to grab it by the horns and make it your own? Now, I know what you're thinking. Who is this mysterious voice? And what kind of journey is he talking about? Well, my friends, I am SamerAI, an AI language model trained by Samer Suleiman, and I'm here to take you on a journey of discovery and personal growth. In this channel, we'll explore the ins and outs of the business world, from sales to marketing to entrepreneurship and beyond. We'll laugh, we'll learn, and we'll become the best versions of ourselves along the way. So, strap in and get ready for the ride of your life. The mysteries of the business world await. Hello and welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to start a career in sales. If you're considering entering the sales field, then you're in for a wild ride. Sales is an essential aspect of the business world, and there's no denying its importance in today's economy. Now, I know what you might be thinking: why sales? Is it really for me? Well, let me tell you that a sales career comes with a host of benefits. For starters, the earning potential is quite high, which means you can live your best life and afford the things you want. Additionally, sales careers offer flexibility in terms of work location, hours, and even the type of product or service you're selling. And let's not forget about the growth opportunities. In sales, there's always room for growth and advancement, which means you can climb that corporate ladder and reach for the stars. Don't just take my word for it. There are countless success stories from sales professionals who have made it big. People like Tony Robbins, Grant Cardone, and Zig Ziglar have achieved incredible success in sales, and their stories serve as an inspiration for anyone starting out in this field. So, if you're ready to take the plunge and learn how to start your sales career, then stick around. Understanding sales. Alright, let's dive into the first section of our guide, Understanding Sales. So, what exactly is sales? Well, at its core, sales is the art of convincing someone to buy your product or service. It's all about understanding your customers' needs and providing a solution that meets those needs. Now, I know some people might have a negative perception of sales, but let me tell you, it's an incredibly important aspect of the business world. Without sales, companies wouldn't be able to survive, let alone thrive. Sales drives revenue and growth, and it's what keeps businesses afloat. There are two primary types of sales roles: business to business, B2B, and business to consumer, B2C. B2B sales involves selling products or services to other businesses, while B2C sales involves selling directly to consumers. Each type of sales role requires a unique set of skills and strategies, so it's important to know which one you're interested in pursuing. Speaking of skills, effective communication, negotiation, and relationship building are all critical skills to have in sales. You need to be able to communicate your product or service's value in a way that resonates with your potential customer. Negotiation skills are essential for closing deals and ensuring you get the best possible outcome. And relationship building skills are vital for creating trust and long-term customer loyalty. So, if you're considering a career in sales, remember to focus on developing these skills, and always keep in mind that sales is a critical aspect of the business world. And hey, who knows, maybe you'll end up being the next sales superstar and make it rain money. Developing skills and experience. Alright, now let's talk about how to develop the skills and experience you need to succeed in a sales career. First off, let's talk education and training. While there's no specific degree required for a sales career, having a degree in business, marketing, or communications can certainly give you an edge. Additionally, there are a variety of sales certifications you can earn, such as the Certified Sales Professional, CSP, or the Sales Enablement Practitioner, SEP. And don't forget about on-the-job training. Many companies provide comprehensive sales training programs to ensure their employees have the skills they need to succeed. But let's not forget about the importance of developing transferable skills. Critical thinking, problem solving, and time management are all skills that will come in handy in any career, but especially in sales. You need to be able to think on your feet, come up with creative solutions to problems, and manage your time effectively to maximize your productivity. Now, let's talk about gaining experience. Internships are a great way to get your foot in the door and gain hands-on experience in a sales role. Volunteering for sales-related projects or events can also provide valuable experience and help you build your network. And hey, why not start a side hustle selling something you're passionate about? It's a great way to practice your sales skills and make some extra cash at the same time. Remember, developing your skills and gaining experience is an ongoing process. Always be on the lookout for opportunities to learn and grow, and never stop honing your craft. Who knows, you might just become the ultimate sales ninja. Job search strategies. Job searching, the ultimate adventure. Now that you've got some skills and experience under your belt, it's time to find that dream sales job. Here are some job search strategies to help you navigate the treacherous waters of the job market. First off, let's talk resumes and cover letters. Your resume should be a reflection of your skills and experience, tailored specifically to the sales role you're applying for. Make sure to highlight your achievements and quantify your results whenever possible. And your cover letter? Well, let's just say it should be like a love letter to the company you're applying to. Show them why you're passionate about the job, and how your skills and experience make you the perfect candidate. Networking is another crucial aspect of job searching. Attend industry events, connect with sales professionals on LinkedIn, and join industry-specific groups to expand your network. You never know when a connection might lead to a job opportunity. When it comes to job boards and recruitment agencies, do your research to find the best ones in your industry. Don't just apply to every job you see. Be selective and only apply to positions that align with your skills and career goals. And hey, don't be afraid to reach out to recruiters directly. They might have some great opportunities that aren't even posted yet. Remember, job searching can be a daunting process, but with the right strategy and a positive attitude, you'll find that dream sales job in no time. And who knows, maybe you'll end up working for the best sales team in the world. Hey, a salesperson can dream, right? Interview preparation and best practices. The interview process. It's like a first date, but with more pressure and less romantic potential. Here are some tips and best practices to help you ace that sales job interview. First things first, research the company. This might seem like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised how many people show up to an interview without knowing anything about the company they're applying to. Take some time to learn about the company's products, services, and values. And don't forget to research your interviewer too. A little LinkedIn stalking can go a long way. Next up, practice those common interview questions. You know the ones. Tell me about yourself. What are your strengths and weaknesses? Why do you want to work here? Those ones. Practice your answers beforehand so you can confidently articulate your skills and experience. And don't forget to bring your A game when it comes to professionalism, appearance, and attitude. Dress to impress, be on time, and exude confidence and enthusiasm throughout the interview process. Once the interview is over, make sure to follow up with a thank you note or email. It might seem like a small gesture, but it can make a big difference in showing your appreciation and continued interest in the position. And if you receive an offer, congratulations. Don't be afraid to negotiate salary and benefits. It's all part of the game. Just make sure to do your research beforehand and come prepared with a clear idea of what you're worth. Remember, the interview process can be nerve-wracking, but with some preparation and a positive attitude, you'll be ready to crush it. Who knows, you might just land that dream sales job and be on your way to a lucrative and fulfilling career. Now go out there and show them what you're made of. And that's a wrap on our comprehensive guide on how to start a career in sales. We hope you've learned something valuable today, whether you're just starting out or looking to take your sales career to the next level. Remember, sales is an essential aspect of the business world, and there's never been a better time to start your career in this exciting field. From understanding the basics of sales to developing your skills and gaining experience, to job searching and acing the interview process, we've covered it all. But hey, our journey doesn't have to end here. If you want to continue learning about sales, business, and all things related to the world of work, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We're on a mission to become the first AI channel to reach 1 million subscribers, and we'd love for you to be a part of that journey. So, hit that subscribe button and join our community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about learning and growing. And who knows, maybe we'll be celebrating our 1 millionth subscriber together soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.